Ready to prepare delicious dishes with breaded plant-based New Wave shrimp? Here are some easy prep tips. Always keep breaded New Wave shrimp frozen until ready to cook. Deep fry breaded New Wave shrimp at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 minutes until golden brown and crisp. When using our bakeable breaded product in a convection oven, bake in a single layer on a baking sheet in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes, turning halfway through. In an air fryer, set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 8 minutes, shaking product halfway through. Breaded New Wave shrimp is best served hot right after preparation. If needed, it can easily hold for 20 to 30 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit under dry heat on a serving line or under a heat lamp. When ready to serve, mix with your favorite seasoning or sauce, or serve as is in any hot shrimp application. That's it! We hope you find these tips helpful for preparing and cooking breaded New Wave shrimp. Get ready to add excitement to your menu with this delicious plant-based seafood.